Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how to enable and disable sticky scroll in VS Code editor. So as you can see, I've already opened the VS Code editor and I got a JavaScript file here. Now, if I'll scroll, you can see nothing is happening. There's no difference. But if I'll enable sticky scroll, you will see a difference. For that, I need to go to View, Appearance, and click on Sticky Scroll. Now, let me take my cursor here somewhere. Now let me scroll and you will see a stack of functions at the top. So level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and level 5. I'm getting all this just because I have enabled sticky scroll. So if you don't want this kind of a behavior, you can simply disable it by going to View, Appearance, and clicking on Sticky Scroll. So I hope you understood how to enable and disable sticky scroll in VS Code Editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.